Oh. We could rub the spaceship's back.
Rub its back?
That's what I do when you have hiccups.
Yes, let's give it a try then.
There, my friend. We'll soon have you rid of these nasty hiccups.
You'll be all right.
There.
It's all right. Eddi's here. Don't be afraid, I'm here.
Poor spaceship.
I once heard that if you balance something on your nose, that can cure hiccups.
Ooh.
Oh. I wonder if there's anything about hiccups in my big book of useful information.
Maybe that's it. Maybe it'll never fly again.
I'm sure it will, Eddi. We just need to know how to fix it.
Hiccuping asteroids, hiccuping planets, hiccups and windy pots. There's nothing in here about hiccuping spaceships. Maybe we need to hit it with a hammer.
I don't think so.
Ah! You made me jump, buddy.
Whoops. Sorry, Groobie.
Hold on. There is another way to cure hiccups.
Well, it doesn't mention it in my big book of useful information.
What is it?
Surprise!
Surprise?
Yes. We can make the spaceship jump, like Buddy made Groobie jump.
But how are we going to make my spaceship jump? None of us are loud enough.
But we do know someone who is. Come on. All right, Planet Dave. All you need to do is make Eddi's spaceship jump.
Easy peasy.
Ooh, how exciting.
Ready, Eddi?
Just about.
3, 2, 1.
Boom!
I think you'll have to do better than that, Planet Dave.
Oh, right then. Boom!
Wow!
How was that?
It's worked.
Well done, Planet Dave.
Thanks, Planet Dave. Oh,
Oh, not again.
even Planet Dave can't. I think you've done it, Planet Dave.
Well done.
That really was a surprise.
I don't think I've ever heard anything so loud. Ooh.
Oh dear, Planet Dave, you've given Oopsy hiccups. And me.
Oh dear. Buddy, can you rub me back?
Absolutely. Tooting.
Oh,